her ship. She be the finest wooden woman to ever ride the buttery sea. Polly, find us the wreck of the Marley Maiden.
Find the maiden! Find the maiden!
This is a long ass mission.
It is. Again, that one.
That
Want
way.
booty? Have a sword, all men wanted.
We've gotten to know each other pretty well in the last few minutes. So here be the tale of woe that brought me down to the depths of what used to be the ocean.
Hell yes. Pirate backstory.
Oh, Zaber's a big thing up here.
What's the big thing?
I was the fiercest pirate captain on the buttery seas.
What's the big thing?
I had a fine ship,
Ooh.
a loyal crew,
Oh
and
no.
true love.
Hang on, what is
I
this?
lost it all.
Nothing particularly exciting.
You didn't even explain the curse.
Oh, so me pirate backstory be insufficient for ye. Never mind then, ye scurvy cur.
Ha!
Fuck
See,
it.
she's got nothing. She always forgets to drop character voice when she's scrambling for a decent motivation.
Where are we going then?
There we go.
Oh, this way. We're going down. Downstream.
Go down. Hey!
Oh. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy.
Inexorable! Devastation inbound!
Ow. Well,
Ah! I fell off.
don't do that. Now they're all coming for me, aren't they?
Oh, that's a good plan then.
I'm feeling it on me.
Oh no. I'm in fire. Ow.
Wow, there's something big over there. Burning glomp. What the fuck are you?
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Boom. You're dead.
Let us stay.
Ah!
Oh no. What the hell?
Oh, burning glomp.
My conscience is clean, villain.
Tiny one.
Lots of tiny ones. The big ones explode into the tiny ones, which is very, very unfair, I think.
It is. It really, really is. Where'd he go?
Look who's come to play.
I need ammo. Well, I don't. But I'm gonna get some. Hang on. Do I have?
Nothing of anything. All low value stuff around here. Oh, that's not low value. I'll have that. Got a Maine Coon. Lovely.
Ooh, what's
I like
that
me.
scrawled upon yonder?
I've had 2 of those.
belly?
Have you? My friend's just got
Surely
one.
the
They've
altar
just
with the
literally got one today.
Well, back in the house. Well, back when Victoria, my daughter, she was 8, I gave her one for her birthday. We knew a couple of people that bred them, so we got one for free actually. Well, we had to pay for the vet thing for them to be
Oh, weapons.
weapons. Oh, hello. Ooh. Okay, now I need to throw something away to be able to pick something up. Give me a second. But yeah, so she had one, and then my girlfriend had one as well. So when we moved together, we had 2. And then when we had to move out of the house, when the owners wanted to sell it, we had to move to a flat where we were only allowed to have 1 cat. Fortunately, our good neighbors were like super in love with one of the cats, so they were like, "Oh, we want one." We were like, "Do you want one of ours?" And they were like, "Yes." And now that's their little baby. So.
Oh, bless. Vending machines, Abe. I see vending machines.
Yes, I am very into the whole vending thing. Okay,
Yeah.
let's get down there. Unless we're not supposed to.
Well, we are. Oh, I'm down here.
Oh shit! We got mobs incoming. You don't have time for the vending machine, dude. You
I
don't
always
have time
for the vending machine.
No, you don't. There's like a million mobs on the way up here.
What ho, chap? Big on, coward! Hold on to something!
Did we get them all?
I think we have. Oh, there's some more.
No, there's more down
exploding
there.
ones down there.
Oh, you got one shark on the way up here.
Man shark.
Man shark. Oh shit, I got stuck down here, I think.
You know that's what the police nickname their dogs.
Doggo.
Land sharks.
That's what Scash usually calls everything that... It's like, look, doggo.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Oh. Big brain thing up in the air.
The blomp.
Yeah. Goodbye, Blomp.
I love my little dragon just flying around burning.
Okay, hang on. Small things coming this way. I'm gonna do the twirlies. Twirly. Okay, so
go twirly off.
we need to go vendor a lot of shit, and then we can pick up a lot of shit, and then vendor again.
Yeah,
From the looks of it.
it's the old. Let's sort of spend 10 minutes going through our inventories stage of the
Yeah.
game.
Exactly.
Well, hello. Zaber, there's a thing.
Yeah, I know there's a quest thing.
No.
Oh.
There's a thing.
Oh, you started things.
No, I didn't
Need to
start things. I was all walking around. It just come up and decided to have me.
The things are gone. Now we can continue picking up things, but there's a quest up there.
Yeah,
Oh
I
no!
see 'em.
Oh no! Be careful! Where'd he go? Okay, let's get back
Anyway,
and clear out our inventory again. That's a pressure plate. You stepped on it.
oh
and
yeah,
it
that's
was
cool.
like,
acid.
yeah. Whoa, dude.
Hello, little Wyvern. How are you doing? Where you gone? Back here. Stay still. Stay still. I want to admire you.
You fell, yeah.
That's okay.
Alright, I'm done. No, actually, hang
Done?
on. Maybe I just want to see if I got any... no skills yet. We've gotten a lot of XP in here.
I've
We need to go this way.
we do.
Oh, boxes. Tons of boxes. Something hanky?
Yeah, I can hear something nearby.
Just move away from it.
Yeah, just walk away from the
There's a
terrible
quest
thing.
up there. Do we want that as well?
I think
Our way is blocked. Holly, time to unleash your breaking beacon beak.
probably
Beacon
not.
beak.
Thank you.
Dude, we're like super strong.
It's a third-person shooter you can
Oh,
play
no.
side by side with friends. Oh, solo with friends. Yeah.
One's
that.
human.
Might be one to add to the games like list.
Yes.
There she blows.
See, this is the kind of interaction we want for Rant Nerds.
It is.
Look, Holly.
People interacting, being all like, hey, this could be fun. And we try it out. Okay, there's so many of them.
Only so many of
We
them. There's no one here. Oh,
Yeah, there's like 3 of them to get up there.
My Charlie.
You don't get to call
Okay, let's grab that one. I'm right behind you.
No matter. While you've been away, I've built a new crew. Loyal. Not that your salty heart knows the meaning of the word.
La Chancia.
The Marley Maiden's still mine, Charlie. Crew.
Where you go?
prepare to board.
I've already bored.
Oh,
You guys just take your time. I'm boarded.
Where are they? Oh. Gone so.
Oh, oh.
To battle and glory!
Just taking a break.
Break's over.
Yep. Sorry. You're not eligible for breaks. You haven't worked enough
another one.
hours.
Got some ammo here.
Hi, mage, eh? Well, I'm a bit of a mage myself. I'm something of a mage myself.
Watch out, crew. That's the deckhand, the most powerless sailor of us all. He's gonna put up a fight.
They were
That was a shit fight.
parts. We can't get her sailing
Yeah.
in this condition. Grab the captain's wheel.
No.
Now screw her in tight. It's Higginsworth the bosun.
Bad guy? Bad guy. Kick his ass.
You know the game said that we were too low level for this area.
The game didn't take into account how awesome we were.
No, it did not.
Just saying. What we do now? Go underneath? Go down? Yeah, we need to go below.
Yeah, go down. Pet the ship's flag. Collect the ship's flag.
Blundering crew. Throw her up on the mast and see her dance in the wind.
Ooh.
Oh. There she goes.
Marley's fearsome sword snout. Place it front and center on the bow.
There's a fake head. Do you want to do the honours?
Oh, there. Yeah, I can do it. Yoink. Did it. Where do I put it?
Well, it's a fig head, so it needs to go at the front.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, let's have Zaber fucking balance out here. I see it. I can't touch it though. Can't touch this.
Do.
Exactly. Did it.
She be looking as fine as a lady can look. Over here, we'll raise the Marley maiden back to fighting shape. A ship's got a soul as much as any man, and I've been practicing my decromancy. Time to get these wooden bones dancing again. Crew, a tune, if you will.
A tune? Well, oh, we're going over there now. We're going back.
Wait, it'll go all the way over there. Okay. That was almost in sync.
Raise the bones! Raise the bones!
Ta-da!
Slick is slipper, boats can find. Oh, way ho, all hands on deck. She's the Marley maiden cutting through our brine. Batten down the hatch and rubbing down roughnecks. She flies! Now with crew and ship we can finally get back what was lost. Time to confront the chance. Follow Polly. She'll lead ye to his ship, the Tempest's score. Set sail!
What did Chartreuse mean when he called you Blood's Three-Wood? Are you hiding something?
Ye deserve the whole truth, and there's only one way to properly deliver pirate backstory. A tunnel full of music and elaborately staged vignettes. Places, everyone!
This way.
That way, yes. Ah! Bang! Do you have to tread more carefully? Bah!
There once was a love that put to sea, and the name of the man is known to me. The curse took hold, my bow said no. Blow me, pony boys, blow.
He true the skeleton man, his song will across the sands. One day when our penance is done, we'll take our chance and go.
Immune? We need to... Oh, they did it.
An oath to the other we both swore. I, Charlie, was my true amour. Blow me, bony boys, blow.
Pt12, the skeleton man, his song of woe heard cross the sands. One day when our penance is done, we'll take our chance and go.
In my fears of losing him, dealt with the devil and paid in sin. We gained our years but lost our skin. Blow me, bony boys, blow.
Oh yeah, I got him with the old live forever grift. Works all the time. No shortage of wayward souls clinging to the scraps of fading memories. Jeez, listen to me. I sound like her.
Charlie couldn't forgive me. He and his men sunk the Marley Maiden, scattered and consigned me to oblivion.
Oh, weapons here.
So it falls on me, bony shoulders, to make things right.
Cool.
Pt12, the skeleton man, his song heard across the sands. One day when my penance is done, I'll take my chance and go. Tempest scored be not far. Follow Polly, crew. We're off to set things right.
Oh, look at Polly. Yeah. Oh, bad guy.
Nice.
I sense evil.
Oh. Oh, on this own.
Oh, up there, big guys.
Yeah. I just blew his eyes out.
Oh no.
I've got a guy down here who's got no head. Didn't know you could shoot these guys' heads off, but there we go.
Where'd they go?
Money, weapons,
He'll be firing his laser.
yeah, I got him in the house. Shot him in the eye. Eye cops. Very good game, very good game.
Yes, and I have a detail.
Oh, gearbox, never change.
Where'd everyone go? I hear a bad guy. There you go.
I love the barks in this game.
Boxes. More boxes.
Oh, got someone else with the cat at home, making itself at home. He's in bed with us now.
Huh?
Someone else, first time chat, someone's got a cat at home.
Oh, yeah.
As cats are wont to do.
Which way are we going to get down there, by the way? Not this way.
I don't know, I have no idea. I just walk. When I see things I can shoot, I shoot them, and I assume they go and leave in the right direction.
I think I know where's here. There's something up here glowing.
Oh, yeah.
The Fate Maker walks the land, trying to mend what was broken. Every step reveals another lost hope. The task seems insurmountable, but a hero must keep moving forward.
Have you seen that there's a Borderlands movie coming?
This be it, crew. Beyond that
I have
wall
heard
line
there's a
that took this
yes, I have
far.
heard that.
Let's batten down some hatches and shiver some timbers. Fire!
Okay. Yes, vending machines.
Hey, Huh. My friend Ian's just has had his chat message blocked by auto moderator. Unfortunately, I'm not on a computer to allow deny. It's not what I thought.
It's been forever since I had something that was actually an upgrade.
I think we may have like slightly over. Despite what the set game said, oh, you need to be level 17 before you do this. I thought we may have got a bit ahead of ourselves.
Yeah, maybe. I'm not gonna do it.
Do what?
No, there's a barrel up top, and I was about to shoot it, but I don't know if it's gonna explode. And if it does,
Yeah, no. Well, that's not stopped you in the past.
well, I do learn things, you know.
Yeah. Do you say that? I mean, once you know, is an accident. Twice is carelessness. 3 times is a vendetta.
What about 4, 5, and 6 then?
Well, so far you've only blown me up 3 times. Oh no! You were there when the barrel exploded. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to do that.
I didn't
Oh
see
dear.
you that close. Blah 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 blah.
Oh,
Let's go.
Didn't see you. Oh, sorry. I didn't realise that you stood next to the exploded barrel. Meant you were planning to stand next to the exploded barrel.
What the hell? Look, look, look.
Where he'll be expecting us now.
Oh, incoming.
Long gone beer, he really has been recruited. Crew,
Yes.
prepare to blast those boats to the 17 seas.
17 C's.
Jeez.
I sense evil. Whatever
What's am I for cars? I have currently got a Dutch Duster.
Was that a question for both?
That was asking me for what car
Okay.
I bought. What? Do you have a car at the moment, Zaber?
Yeah.
What have you got at the moment?
I have a Toyota Aygo.
A Toyota Aygo?
Yeah, Aygo.
Aygo, you'll go, we all go for Aygo.
We all go. I used to have a Renault Clio.
Renault Clio.
Yeah, in Clio, yeah, but I had to sell that one due to bullshit in Denmark.
Blood's free wood is dead, the chance.
What, Denmark banned the Renault Clio?
No, it was more in the sense that because of
Oh, right.
because I'm on early retirement, they used to deduct me in pay because of my girlfriend's pay.
never forgive you for turning us into
They stopped doing that though, but yeah, because of that, I had to sell my car. So
So be it. Avast!
before I send you back.
oh, behind you.
Oh,
boss.
shit!
Yeah,
Where did he come from?
behind. He came from behind.
He came from behind.
Behind ya. There's a lot of mouse back there.
Oh, I'm down.
Okay.
You.
Oh, no, I'm trying to revive you, but you keep moving.
I'm still here. I'm still dying. It's all right. I'm going to be sword show shortly. There we go.
What happened?
Okay, I see. They asked me if I'm besmirching my car history. I've not written off that many cars. Well, I have written off quite a few.
Share your feelings.
You're a stubborn sea dog, and I
What's this?
love that about you. Now hear me out. Chartreuse LeChance. I be sorry. I should have asked you before I cursed us all to undeath. I was so afraid of losing you that I wasn't thinking straight.
You've never thought straight a moment in your life or unlife. But
Did you die and respawn?
thank you.
Yeah.
I can't
A lot of stuff you dropped back here that you need to pick up, dude.
I'll go
spend
back
the
for a
rest of
second.
our deaths making it up to ye. All I need is a LeChance.
Damn your pirate wiles, 3-Wood. Me heart be always yours. I accept.
Sorry, crew. No room for the living on this vessel. But I reckon this won't be the last we see of each other. After all, you're the Fate Maker, and fate brings us together.
You'll find the key to the Nerpent Gate in my hidden booty room. You're welcome to plunder it. I found all the treasure I need.
Oh.
Take care of Polly, crew. Avast!
Oh, go grab some shit. Right. I'm having my car history besmirched. What?
The music.
True love saves the day, la dee blah. You really bought into this Fate Maker crap, haven't you? Well, her little creed is a lie, and she knows it. We all end up alone in the dark.
Hey, Fred, we're getting all the loot. Aren't you glad we did the pirate quest?
Their love was stronger than death, and nothing could keep them apart.
Are you crying over fictional characters? I didn't know that was possible on, like, several levels.
You tell anyone and I'm putting engine coolant in your breakfast cereal.
Fret, you may literally have a cold metal shell, but somewhere deep inside you there's a soft center. You're like an emotional soup can without a label. Who knows what kind of gooey goodness is in there?
Well, that fixed me. I'm back to hating people.
Right.
What's that?
Gates open for business.
Yes, I have been told. Well, actually, you told me at Christmas time, and Mr. Marshall confirmed it. Yeah, they're besmirching my car history. I've a spotty history when it comes to car ownership and keeping them going.
Glory and greatness!
The gate is open. You have made it through the uppermost level of the seafloor, but now the darkest abyss lies ahead of you. Ooh, you have traveled far.
Yeah, that was a
Yourself
while ago,
shortcut
to be
back
fair, so I
the
wouldn't
previous
surprise me if
era.
you've gotten.
We did it, yeah.
We did it, y'all. We just had to level up.
Don't know if I've had that. I might have. I have. Yeah.
Go to the drones, unfathomable fathoms, right. So look,
Oh, yeah.
right, looky round here, shall we, and see if we can find some. There's a dice up there.
Yeah, I don't think we can get up there just yet. There's a quest. There's quests, plural.
There is. Shall we just
And then
wander
we need to
around the area first, and sort of we can always come back and do the odd little quest.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, there you go. See? No. Oh, I got excited then for a second.
I could hear. Oh,
Do not forsake me,
we're back where we came. No, we're not. 0%, yeah.
Miss Cove. Oh. Coiny thing up there.
Smash all their shit. Oh, there's 2 chests here and stuffs. Oh,
I hit the wrong button.
you went through the shit.
Yeah, I went to smash him. I pushed the wrong button. I went to smash him.
You should have yielded when you had the chance. This strength waves.
What did he say? That he was gonna donate his body to science?
Bob is all like that. I wasn't clear enough to hear it, close enough to hear him. Zaber's smoking that one up.
Oh. Apparently I ran out of twirl juice.
Swirly juice. There's a thing you could run out of.
Now you know.
Now we know. And now we know.
This guy, really, he's just on your ass. There you
Oh
go.
yeah. This guy.
What the hell?
Counter complete.
What the fuck happened?
We won.
Oh, okay.
Is that so unusual?
No, it was more like, it seemed like he was exploding himself. It was like kamikaze. La la la.
You good?
Is that it?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Cool. Got the cat pulling you out of bed. Well, the cat shouldn't be bringing you out of bed. You should automatically get out of bed because the cat, you know, is right.
We can go through that and over there, maybe.
We can.
Oh, enter. Oh, that's a camp we can enter.
Yeah.
Well, we don't want to, yeah.
Not yet, anyway.
No.
Now I punched him.
I saw it. I saw you punching him. But he was like, no.
No, I will not be punched. I will kill you instead. By Danish man and his English friend. Oh, there they are. There they are. Stop running. You run, I can't shoot you.
They're annoying like that. I'm a twirl. Okay, never mind.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Riven.
See him.
That's it, get him, Riven, get him.
Ta-da! Oh, more.
Really there. Where's that shot come from? No, Zaber.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Take them for all their worth.
Hey, punch me down. What an asshole. Ta-da!
There we go.
We did it, yeah.
We did. Oh, there it is over there. So I think, where's the big bright shiny thing? And it turns the big bright shiny thing to the big bright shiny thing.
Exactly. Shiny.
Shiny, shiny.
There we go. Picked up everything.
Yep. Boxes.
Yeah. What is that anyways? Oh, we can enter that. That's also a dungeon. Well, I think we've explored everything now. Now we have quests. And I think we probably have to do that quest to be able to get over here anyways. Yeah?
I think so. Well, shall we?
Maybe
We've
that,
got a little bit of time. Shall we quickly knock this one on the head? 'Cause I imagine it won't take very long. Then we
yeah, sure.
call it
Sure.
night.
You look fuzzy. Margravine Cellar, the meanest Devilcard's player in the buttery seas. Trying to cross the ravine, are ya?
Yes.
I know there's an invisible bridge over it, but I can't see it without my magical eyeglasses. I lost them to some coiled, and I just know they cheated. Can you go get them back?
Yes.
Yep.
That's the coiled clutch it is. Fight your way in and teach those cheaters a lesson.
She did. She dropped loose.
Down then! Let us stain this field! Darkness, bleed before the light!
Ow. Did anyone ask you? I don't think they did.
The end draws near.
Ta-da! Oh, you got incoming on your ass.
Oh, it's got a shield, yeah. See him.
They're twirling again. Oh, we got him. She's a screamer.
Oh, he turned into. Oh, hello.
Okay, time to go collect, I guess.
Yeah, go collect. Hopefully, what do you call it? What we need to get over the bridge.
I'm only picking up the again. Oh, hang on. Why did I get that before? Oh, my inventory is full already?
Apparently so. And my inventory is full as well.
Wow, dude.
Let's have a little look-see and get rid of anything low value.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Right. What happened? Did you get a new one? A new calamity?
No.
Oh, okay.
I just tried firing point blank upright and see if it's going to. I thought if I fired it upright, it's going to land straight on my head.
What happened? Oh shit.
Hello.
How swift they fall. They caught totally in red. Hold on to something!
Yeah.
Hang on. Immune?
Hello.
Ta-da.
Back in business.
Now we have that problem again, where you can't pick
Yeah.
up anything.
Yeah. Only because it. Yeah, if it's the same issue.
Oh well. I'm not gonna throw shit out of my bag just to pick up other things that needs to be sold anyway. So.
Well, I want to get some of this is worth more money, so I'm just going to go with that and go with that.
Ooh.
More glasses.
Come bring them to me.
Okie doke.
Okie dokie.
My glasses! I can see again! Of course, I only need the one lens to read the other player's cards. I'll craft the other into a monocular telescope for you. There, that will let you see the coiled invisible bridges, built for things all over the place.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Nice.
Very
Found the
nice.
bridge, did you? Keep your eyes open. There's more to be found all over.
We did it, yeah.
Right, shall we call it an all halt there?
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that.